We talked a little bit about the future. We talked about AR and VR, practical applications in industry. I'm curious, Maureen, what are some of the most exciting technologies that you're excited about for the future in this industry?
Yeah, well, I think, and I did mention them, the virtual reality, the augmented reality. I think where I'm seeing it and I can really see how it would be used and be practical for folks is really in the training field, folks being able to kind of get their hands on assets and equipment without physically having to do it. So in a very safe and controlled environment, but still getting that hands-on experience, especially as we're all seeing the training and the skills gap. I think that's going to be a huge way of getting folks where they need to be as far as their training. So I think that's a really cool way that I've seen, especially the augmented reality being used. And I can see how it's something we could use even at UE Systems for our customers. So I think that'll be really cool to see how that continues to impact that skills gap and how we can help make sure we're training the next generation of maintenance and reliability professionals.
Absolutely. I mean, I might be so far off here, but you got me thinking about how pilots are trained in these like really cool simulation of like crashes and emergency situations. Like, what if we could make that much cheaper, much less expensive for people who work in this field, in this industry, to use really awesome technology and handle emergency events without having them in the first place. Right,
exactly. Plus, I think, as we're trying to excite the next generation of folks to get into craft skills and maintenance and things like that, you're going to have to find kind of flashy, fun ways to do it. And I think, having VR and AR as a part of that puzzle, I think is going to be really helpful.
Yeah, absolutely. That would definitely get me even more excited than I am right now.
Exactly.